Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located on River Close in Porto Bello, Montego Bay, is this beautiful, fully solar powered 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom house for sale. The house comes with 3 balconies and is beautifully landscaped. The property is fully walled and has video surveillance system along with being fully grilled for extra security. There is a 2-car garage and spacious yard for guest parking with a total land area of approximately 13,056 square feet. On entry, you are greeted with a wooden staircase that leads to a landing area and TV room. The bedrooms are large and fully equipped with ceiling fans and AC. Some also have access to the balcony. As bonus, there is also spacious walk-in closets, electronic gate, dog kennel, fruited land, and this is a tranquil neighborhood with beautiful serene surroundings which leaves you very close to nature. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.